is also a JVM, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what we can say, like why I'm saying right now, because it has to be interested. If Java compiles the whole code altogether, then how it's understanding the if else condition, right? If I have to understand, okay, this particular if condition or else if condition or else if condition, whatever satisfied, then it should go line by line, right? Or else it will never understand altogether which condition is satisfying if it's compiling all together. Getting my point, right?
Yes.
A simple thing. If the code is, if I show you the whole kitchen of my house, you will be puzzled, right? In which particular utensil I have kept the dal, or where is the chawal, where is the biryani. You would be totally confused. So Java should go through the same, right? Either you have to check one by one every utensil, like where the foods are, which food is in which utensil, or you like as a whole together, it's not possible for Java even to understand how this if, which particular condition will satisfy, and according to which, according to the condition, which particular output it should give, right? It should be puzzled. Then how Java operates with it? Any idea, guys? If Java is a compiler language or compiled language, then how it works? How Java is understanding that, okay, this particular 14th line condition is satisfying. That's why I have to print out A plus B. Or maybe the condition of 18th line is satisfying. So I have to give the output of 19th, and then I have to go out. How Java is understanding that if it's compiling the whole code all together. I
Conditions.
guess.
Amitabh, actually, it is
User
checking
Condition.
line by line.
enter.
If the first line is correct, then it will take as an okay, and then it will print the first line. If not, it will goes to the next. Like that, it will check
Based on
line by
conditions.
line.
How it's going line by line? It's a compiled language, right? It should not go line by line. Am I correct? Line by line should be interpreted, right?
Thinking, Amitabh, thinking.
Conditions and operators.
Anyone? Only one lady has tried. Others, what happened?
Sir, whenever given based on condition, compile the user enter correct or not, they check. They will not correct. They raise an error.
Whatever user enters doesn't matter. Okay, if I give my name on like Amitabh, then it will take the A. So it doesn't matter. That's what my question is. If I have entered Amitabh, then caret 0 would be A, correct? So if it has to satisfy the conditions, it has to go to the if first, else if, then the second else if, then the third else if. How it's understanding that it has to go, like basically to satisfy any particular condition, it has to go line by line. And the line I'm going to tell you, the answer is like whatever the answer I'm going to give you, that is hard to digest. That is the first thing. And second thing, that is if else block is the best justification of that particular answer. But before I give the answer, I want you guys to try, like any idea.
I assume it is both compiler and interpreter language. Like
Huh? No. How it's possible, dude? You tell me how it's possible.
at first it compiles everything, and then next I'm not sure, Amitabh.
Okay. Anyone else? 1 minute. Cool. So the answer is what Navin said. It's like partially true. Okay. Navin said that is partially true, but the answer is completely that Java compiles the whole code. That is true, right? We know Java compiles the whole code altogether. That's why Java is a compiled language, right? But the JVM is an interpreter. JVM, while executing, goes line by line to execute the code. Java will come whatever the code you have written, 1,500 line, like 2,000 lines, whatever the line of code you have written, it will get compiled all together. So when it gets compiled from this high level language to assembly language, it will come down. Now from this assembly language to get executed to get the result, JVM will take part there, right? From dot class to the results, the output. And then JVM goes as interpreter. JVM is an interpreter.
Okay.
In all your Java
Okay.
parts,
Okay.
the
Got it.
JVM is the interpreter. That's why while it got the code got compiled all together. Okay, the code hasn't gone through like line by line, line by line, line by line compilation. It got compiled. The dot class file got created at all at once. But when it's getting executed, JVM goes line by line. That's why JVM is the interpreter, and that's how JVM knows. Okay, boss, this particular condition is not getting satisfied, or this particular condition is not getting satisfied. Whatever the condition satisfies, according to that, I have to give the output. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Amitabh. Actually, we thought that I mean Java is a compiler language. Maybe due to that only we thought like that. Actually, Amitabh, we didn't
Like
think about the JVM actually.
that's what. Even
Yeah.
when we are
Yeah.
discussing the JVM at the first days, I didn't tell you guys this. Okay. If I
Uh-huh.
could have
Okay.
told you guys this on that day, it would have been very confusing. What is happening?
Okay. Okay, Amitabh. Got it. Thank you.
So any doubt on this?
No. So start the sharing. Sir.
Sorry.
Stop the sharing screen.
No, no, no. Wait.
Viresh,
I
Viresh,
need to
can you?
respond.
Yeah.
So I have one more question. Now, just as you guys know that JVM is an interpreter, or we'll go line by line. Okay. So just suppose the 18th condition is satisfying now. Okay. 18th line. 18th line of condition is satisfying. So how many line JVM will execute? Starting from line number 10. Okay. Give me the number that how many line JVM will execute. Starting from line number 10. So if you want to give your answer, just suppose the answer would be like 5 lines or 10 lines. Starting from line number 10, I'm saying again and again. 1, 2, 3.
6 lines, Amitabh.
6 lines.
Can you scroll down totally? Like keep the 10th line at the top of your screen so that we can see the whole code. Yeah. Now tell me how many lines it will execute.
7.
So including scanner dot close, it would be 7.
18th line condition is getting satisfied, right?
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
Can you highlight the 18th line, please? Selecting the 18th line.
6
So
lines it will execute, Amitabh. 6.
6 lines. Check the.
how many lines its JVM will consider that it has to execute to complete the code? That is the question. How many lines would be needed to complete the code for JVM to execute?
8 lines, Amitabh. Actually, I thought it's in 6 lines, Amitabh. That in the 14th and the 16th line, if the condition works only, it will goes to the 15th. And the 16th all the same. If the condition is okay, it will goes to the 70th. Otherwise, it will go to the 18th line. Here, I mean, six lines. It will
Okay, I didn't ask for
it
any
will fix
explanation even till now. My question is simple. Give me the number.
Sir, 6
six,
lines.
Amitabh. I thought it's 6.
6.
6. Okay. Whoever is agrees with 6 can raise their hand. Whoever agrees with 6. Only 3%. What about others then?
Yeah, I'm conscious about the scanner dot close, Amitabh, because it would exit the if
Ah,
else block.
see, I'm telling you as an answer, scan.close would be executed. Okay, so you can add up
Yeah.
that one and it would be 7.
7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even still 6 or 7. Whoever agrees, raise your hand.
Oh, 6 or 7 hand raise.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did.
Deepika, you can raise your hand because you are the person who started. And if you guys are not raising hand to this answer, then you have to give me the justification why you are not raising. Okay. Lakshmi, can you go on mute? So still not raised hand are Lakshmi, Ram, and Tejasri. So Lakshmi, what do you think?
I think it is 8 lines, Amita. From
8 lines. Why?
10th line, it will start from 10th line. It take A value, B value, and 13th line it will what the character what we want to enter. It will check once. 14th line, if the condition is fail, it will goes to 16th line. And if here the condition failed, it will go to 18th line. Here the condition is satisfied, so it will enter to system.out.println.
Okay.
Then it will close. I think. If the
Okay.
condition satisfied, it will enter to the loop and it will execute.
Anyone agrees with Lakshmi?
I feel I have to agree, Amitabh. Line 10 also must execute in
Who
order
is
to
saying
take the
this?
input from 11 to Shavni, Amitabh.
You already voted for one.
Yes, but I just realized it's line 10 also must be executed in order to take the input from 11 and 12. So
Line 10 would be executed for sure.
yeah,
That's
if it
right.
is if including that, it would be 8. Yeah. I'll lower my hand anyway. I'm with 8.
Okay. So I think Lakshmi went really close and Lakshmi is correct. Okay.
Yeah, good.
So the correct answer would be 9. Like Lakshmi also missed one thing, but the correct answer is 9. 9 lines. Why? First of all, you have to understand that if you in the 11th line and 12th, I don't know why you guys missed the 10th line, because in the 11th line and 12th line, you are using the variable scanner, right? And
Yeah.
for your knowledge, I will not explain, you will not ask me questions on that condition. Scanner, that scanner dot next int you are typing, right? Scanner dot next int. That scanner keyword with the small s there, the yellow scanner. The yellow scanner is an instance variable. Okay. Why it's instance variable, how it works, you will not ask me any question. I'll come to that later. But just know that is an instance variable. So if you are using that particular variable, it got initialized on the line number 10, right? So you have to use that, or else compiler doesn't have any knowledge. So line number 10, line number 11, line number 12, line number 13. Till here, everyone agrees, right? 4 lines we got.
Yeah, Amitabh.
Now you got the operator. If compiler wants to check, compiler has to check the conditions, right? It can't directly jump to the line number 18 and execute it. It will go to the 14th line. It will check what is the condition you have put on. It is satisfies no 14 to 16. So 14 got executed. Actually, you are not seeing the output because the condition is not satisfying. But 14th JVM will be checking, right? Condition it has to check to first particularly match with it. If JVM is not seeing the other conditions, it's not possible for him to jump to a particular condition. You are getting me, right?
Yep.
If I,
Yeah.
it's not like a lottery, right? JVM will go to any else if condition, I'll just justify it. It doesn't work like that. It has to go to the conditions at least, not the block below until unless it satisfies. So it will execute the line number 14. Satisfying? No. It will jump to line number 16. Satisfying? No. It will jump to line number 18. Satisfies? Yes. So line number 19 also will get executed. And then condition satisfied of something come out of the if block, it will execute line number 27. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, 27. How many line we got? 9. And this is possible that condition wise it's going line to line and justifying the condition because JVM is an interpreter. Java compiles the code altogether to create the dot class, as much as that is true, but to justify the conditions, to justify what you have written. Even one prime example would be like, if you remember, we used to do like x equals to 10, and below we used to do x equals to x plus 2 again, right? Then the value of the x would become 12, correct? If the JVM doesn't go line by line, then it will not understand what we have done later, right? It could have given x equals to 10 only. But for better understanding, always if else is there. So that's why I didn't say them. So like that, I'm saying few things if I'm leaving them out right now because it's not the correct time to discuss about them. Like the string, few things we have left out. The instance variable we have left out, because these things you will understand better when we will come to the particular topic. Okay.
Okay, Amitabh.
Okay.
Cool. So I hope this is clear, right?
Yes.
Amitabh,
Yeah,
I don't
got
know if it is the right time to ask, but what is this? I mean, if we don't even write this scanner dot close, that works fine.
That will work fine. So scanner dot
Yeah.
close is something like see, when you are writing like maybe 1,000 lines of code, maybe in the line number 27 you are giving scanner dot close so that user doesn't have to put any more data, and it will not even if the in console by chance anything it got it, okay, it will not somehow scan it, or
Okay.
it somehow not stored it anywhere. It's just closed.
Okay.
That means the variable you created here in line number 10, it went to the garbage. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And the close functionality there is actually called garbage collector.
Okay. Okay.
There is a huge depth discussion about garbage collector, but what I'm saying as a thing, like line number 10, what you have started, you have used it, you have completed it, you have eaten all the chips inside the packet. Now you are throwing the packet to the garbage on the line number 27.
Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Thanks,
So
Amitabh.
so the scanner variable, if you want to post this line again, you want to use the scanner variable, it is not possible. Again, you have to start. You have to buy a new chip and you have to start.
Yeah. All right.
And if you are not giving close, still okay. You have a blank, like you just have
Yeah,
a packet.
it's
Maybe
yes.
you can use anytime, anywhere you want in the whole class, as long as there is possibility.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, okay, Amitabh. Got it.
Cool. So I wanted to discuss one more thing, that is ternary operator. So that is also based on the conditions. Viresh, you can stop sharing. Thanks, bro.
Okay. Fine.
So the ternary operator. Okay. So what happens to the ternary operator? Ternary operator will not work with more than two conditions there. Okay. So it has to be either yes or no. Okay. If yes, it will have some output. If no, it will have more output. For if else, what was our
I'm so sorry, but I tried with multiple conditions, the same ternary, it
uh,
worked fine.
no multiple conditions you have to add with the logical operator, right? And or not like that.
Yes. Yes.
I'm saying there is only one space to put the condition. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. 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 Sorry.
For else, for if else, what are the advantages? I can have condition 1, again below I can have condition 2, again below I have condition 3, right? These many scenarios are possible. Like for every type of conditions I may have different output, but for ternary operator there has to be only one place where you are putting all your conditions together. So how it works, like you can give your condition like true equals to false. It's never possible, right? So you will first give the condition, then you will give a question mark on top of it. Now you can write your answer. This is true. This is the satisfying condition, true condition. And if not, then this is false. So basically the format is condition you will give here, then question mark, then you will give here the true statement or true output. You can think like the output you want for the condition to be true. True out statement, then false statement, and colon. This is the ternary operator. So what you are saying here that you can merge multiple conditions in this condition box, right? So same may happen
No,
here
no,
all.
Aftab. No. Can I share my screen, Aftab? Sorry
Yeah.
to interfere.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. Actually, in the progress card program, I tried like this actually.
1 second.
We'll give a condition. And in the true statement, I have given grade A. And
Okay, in
in
the
the place
false again
of,
you have given. Okay, okay.
yes.
Got it.
So
Got it.
like this, we can.
Multiple conditions you have put all
Right.
together. Got it. Got
Right. Like nested conditions. Yeah.
it. Mhm. Got it.
I'll
But
stop
still
sharing.
it's not as else if.
Uh,
That's the point I'm
mm,
not making. Can you stop sharing? I'll show you.
yeah, yeah, sure.
So what you have done that for the false statement, you have given some condition here.
Hmm.
On top
Amitabh,
of
your
it,
screen is not, getting.
okay, one second. Thank you. So in the false statement, again, if the true is true, if not true, then go to another condition, then put again something true, and
Yeah.
then again maybe false. I'm just going ahead with two conditions. That's what you
Right.
have done. Okay. It's equivalent to if condition 1 statement, and now in the else it's equivalent to this. It is equivalent to this one. That if has a condition, if it's satisfied,
Yes.
give me the true statement. This one, correct?
Yes, Amitabh. Yeah.
In the else block, I have one more condition. Else is the false one, right?
Hmm.
So in the else one, I have one more condition. If it satisfies, give me the statement 3. This is the true. Or
Yes.
else give me the statement 4. Okay.
Yep.
So this is what you have done. This one is equivalent to this particular one. Okay.
Right. Right.
But it's nowhere is same as if, else if, else if, else if, else. Getting my point?
Yes, yes, Ankit.
So if you have multiple conditions which are parallelly coming to this condition 1, you have to use if else if. Ternary operator will always work with two type of conditions only. At a time it will judge only one condition, and according to that it will give the result. it can't go parallelly with multiple conditions altogether.
Yeah.
You are getting this point, what I have showed you here?
But
Can
I'm
you
saying,
repeat it again, Amita?
yeah. So see, what is that first condition I'll put, right? First condition I have put in the if condition. Then I have said there would be a true statement, correct? So this is the true statement. This is clear. This is same as this
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
Now
yeah, got it.
this is the false statement. False statement means what? The else block, right? If the
Yes,
condition
yes.
doesn't satisfy, correct? So it will come to the else block. So in the else block, you have given one more condition. So it is one more condition I have put again. So for that, you have a result which is true, which is statement 3. If not, then the false, which is statement 4.
Okay, okay.
So what you
Yeah.
have done is equivalent to this one. That's what I'm saying. It's not
Okay,
equivalent to
okay,
else if, else if, else if, else.
okay. In the else conditions only, we have to, I mean, true will be there
One
like
more
that, na?
condition.
What
One
you
more
have done,
condition,
what you
rather
have
than
done, that
false.
you have put the another condition in the else block, basically in the false way, not in the else if
Okay,
block.
okay,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
okay.
Getting
Here
my
we are
point?
not using the else if. Yeah, got it, Amitabh. Here we are not using a else if. Instead of else if, we are using only else in that in two conditions. Either, I mean, in the
Yes,
false itself, we are using two.
yes. So it's not
Yeah.
same as what we do for the else if, else if, else, right?
Okay.
It's a different thing.
Okay.
So that's why I'm saying, like ternary operator always operates with one condition particularly when needed. Even this is the same, like this is one condition. If true, all good. If not false, there is another inner condition inside it. That's it. It's an inner condition. Like if I'm poor, how much poor I am? I don't have 1 rupee. I don't have even 2 rupees. It's something like that. It's not comparing actual in the like the parent condition. There's a parent condition, right? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay,
yeah, it
Amitabh,
is
got it.
only nesting in else part. That is what.
Yes.
Uh,
Can
okay.
you
Yes.
can you
Clear.
give me an example for this, Amitabh? Actually, for better understanding.
You guys can practice this actually. Okay,
Yeah,
that's what I
I
was
will
going
try
to say.
it. I will try it,
You
Amitabh.
guys try it once. Okay.
Okay.
You
If not,
can.
I will ask you
Even
tomorrow.
for the
Okay.
ternary operator, what you guys did, I never did it. So what I saw, according to that, I implemented there.
Okay.
So
Okay.
even if we see any diversion, we'll discuss about this tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure,
Uh,
Amitabh. Thank you.
so tomorrow we'll discuss about this first thing and go through the switch case once. So we'll discuss the switch case also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Amitabh.
Okay, Amitabh.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you, Amitabh.
Thank
Have
you,
a nice
Amitabh.
day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.